Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account access, correct permissions, and any subscription needed for play mode. Once you have those, update the app or game to the latest version and back up your current settings. Next, open Settings and enable play mode, choose your preferred controller or input method, and pick an appropriate graphics preset for performance versus quality. Do this now so the core environment is ready. This reduces interruptions when you move into the active session. Once play mode is enabled, calibrate your controls and map keys or buttons to match your workflow. Test responsiveness to avoid surprises. Then fine-tune latency and display settings, reduce resolution or frame rate targets if you need stability over visuals. Make sure audio sync and network options are optimized. These affect how responsive actions feel. Finally, start a short test session or tutorial to verify mechanics and performance. This confirms your settings and helps you identify any remaining bottlenecks before begin your full play mode session, and keep an eye on performance metrics like FPS, latency, and input lag so you can tweak as needed. Once satisfied, save or export the play mode profile for quick reuse and enable any auto recovery or crash restart features available. If something goes wrong, restart play mode first, then check for pending updates and network issues. If problems persist, revert to your backed up settings and rerun the calibration. That single troubleshooting step usually restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.